$1.84 million in this Phantom wallet. Not from trading, not from staking, but from launching meme coins at the right time. No fluff, no hype, just a formula that works. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. I used to sit on Dex Screener for hours, even Memescope and Photon, watching new coins, trying to catch the perfect entry, but no matter what happened, I kept losing. Then it clicked. The real money isn't in trading these coins, it's in launching them. When you launch, you own the entire supply, you control the timing, and you decide the story that everyone else buys into. And the best part, you've got nothing to lose because you are the one who created the asset. But if you keep trading other people's plays, you're just fueling their profits while draining yours. Bitcoin is at the all-time high and Solana is currently heating up. This is the moment, launch while it's hot. Before, I just want to be clear that this video was made for educational purposes only. Please don't copy me, cap. Pump.Fun might feel like the easy option, but it locks you out of everything that matters. You don't control the liquidity, you can't scale the project, and your coin just sits there unless someone else takes action first. That's why I switched to create tokenfast. It launches your token straight onto Raydium, instantly tradable, fully visible, and 100% under your control. You decide the supply, you manage the pool, and you keep the profits. If you want to launch coins that actually move like this one right here, this is how you take full control from the start. On Create Tokens.Fun, you've got two ways to launch a meme coin, and both are insanely fast. First option, build your own from scratch. Choose a hot trend, right? So go on Twitter and maybe it's a viral meme, a celebrity moment, or something controversial. Then set the name, symbol, upload an image, and click next, you're ready to launch your coin. Second option though, my go-to because it's the most profitable. The Copy Trending Coins tab right here posts live tokens from Pump.Fun that are already getting buys and volume. You just click the copy and it launches straight onto Raydium. And since you are copying coins that already have traffic and hype, buyers jump in instantly. And that's where the biggest profits come fast. If you want day one action without guessing, this is the strategy that works. But anyways, let's walk through a live launch right now and make a lot of money potentially. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom and then click on the refresh this button and we're gonna see what looks kinda juicy. Okay, I'm gonna do, wait, let me just refresh again. I'm just gonna copy the Tatia Vinchu coin. It looks kind of weird, but why not try it out? It has a last buy 9 seconds ago and a $45,000 market cap, so I'm gonna create coin. Your Phantom wallet should pop up right here. You will get a warning. It's completely normal. Every single person is gonna get this exact warning. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied. Just wait. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's there, it's live, and it's actually legit. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now right here is pretty simple. Basically, we're simply going to add liquidity for the Raydium liquidity pool so that people can trade it and buy it on Memescope or wherever the fuck, right? So here's your coin, here's your balance. Under Mount Token A, tap 90%, that's gonna put 900 million coins into the pool. And for the Mount Token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin because every single meme coin needs to have a first buy before it's launched, and that first buyer is gonna be you. Okay, I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL. You are not losing this money since you are the first buyer, okay? So after you remove the liquidity, you will get it back right inside your wallet. And now click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. Boom. And then click on confirm. Just like that. Click on refresh right after, and if you scroll down, you guys can see that the coin is officially minted, live, and tradable. And for our P&L right now, we are up $0. But if you click on refresh, now our profits are at $200. And now click on view on photon, and the coin is now live. Just give it a bit of time because it has to load. It's a freshly new minted coin. Boom, the late buyers are coming in, the chart popped up. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, we are starting. Oh, what the fuck? It just dumped someone. We're starting at $1,400 in market cap. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the chart because it looks choppy as fuck. Okay, now our only job, okay, is to sit back, wait, and watch the profits roll in. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse, and we're gonna see where it's at after a couple minutes. So enjoy the fucking montage. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like the coin is at a $5,600 market cap, and it looks really fucking healthy. A lot of buys and sells are in the fucking coin, and it's really constant. Now, the liquidity is at $2,000, and I actually think this coin could go really fucking high. Anyways, to cash out profits and, you know, make some money off the coin, come back to the site. After that, click on refresh. And you guys can see here, we're up $1,700 off this coin. Now, to cash out profits, click on the minus button once again, and then do 100% to remove the complete liquidity, and then remove liquidity. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive 9 SOL, click on confirm. And boom, we just removed the complete liquidity. If I open my Phantom wallet with no cuts at all, let's go, boom, $1,800 straight into our wallet. Let's fucking go.